We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at the one-bedroom apartment number 607. Let's go on in. This is a top floor apartment. We have this style of apartment, the 07 line, on floors 2 through 6 in this 6th floor building. We're coming in, you see the bathroom door right here in front of us. The kitchen we'll go through. The kitchen is like what we've seen in the other apartments here in Collegetown Center. You'll have a stove, a microwave, a refrigerator, and cabinets. There's a dishwasher there under the sink. We're gonna pass by the bathroom. Let's take a peek in there really quick as we go through. Okay, so you see we've got the standing tub shower with the door, the vanity, the toilet, medicine cabinet over on the side. Let's go on through and see the rest of the apartment. Okay, so we'll come on into the living room area here. These one-bedroom apartments have a separate living room and bedroom space. So that's the difference between a one-bedroom and a studio. A one-bedroom is the larger style apartment. You do have the 2 rooms, your own bedroom, your own living room. We're on the top floor of the 6th floor building here, so we do have this gorgeous view out here. You can see over this way we've got some pretty sky. This is looking to the south. See, we've got one of the air conditioners here under. There's mini blinds on the windows. The one-bedroom apartments do come furnished for you. There's a small one-person chair, the couch, a coffee table, an end table, a dining table and chair. We've got the desk and chair, dresser, bookshelf that you can put wherever. We've got the bookshelf here in the living room in this one. The nice thing about this apartment, you do have an extra closet. So we've got that right here off of the living room. So great for some extra storage space for your coats and luggage and all your fun things. Let's go and see the bedroom. So here's the bedroom. Okay, next to the living room. So in here we'll go past the desk. We've got your full-size bed. Dresser over here. We've got that same view to the south. We'll go take a peek really quick. So that nice south view. And one more closet here in the bedroom. So we've got the second closet. So primarily for clothes here. So that's a look at a one-bedroom apartment here in Collegetown Center. The 07 style apartment is the same shape and size on every floor here in the building. The difference will just be what you see on out the windows, and here on the top floor we will have the best of the views. So Collegetown Center, 151 Dryden Road. We're just 1 block from campus here in the heart of Collegetown.